Welcome to Learning Together Too. I am so glad that you're here. In this video, we are going to review multiplication. Look, our Mojituti friend Eric has come to help us. Hi, Eric. Eric, what is 7 times 2 equal to? That's okay, Eric. Let's work it out together. Eric, the idea of multiplying is repeated addition of the same number. Let's use cookies to help explain this. Eric, let's say that we baked one batch of 7 cookies. How many cookies does one batch of cookies give us? 7. Nicely done, Eric. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. That's right, Eric. But Eric, we want more than 7 cookies, so we are going to bake another batch of 7 cookies. Now we have 2 batches of 7 cookies. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Great job, Eric. Eric, how many cookies would we have if, instead of 2 batches of cookies, we baked not 3 batches, nor 4 batches, but 5 batches of 7 cookies? Eric, to find out, we could add up the cookies. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. But the more cookies we bake, the more numbers we have to write down. Or we could multiply 7 times 5 to get the same answer. 35. Well done, Eric. Eric, if you have the exercise book, there's a multiplication table towards the end of it that you may like to use to help you learn to multiply. Let's try it again. If you have the exercise book for this video, bring it out to work with it. Feel free to pause the video at any time as you follow along in the book. Eric, this time let's use only numbers. What is 4 times 6 equal to? If we add 6 4 times, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, we'll get 24. Very good, Eric. So 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Nice job, Eric. You will need to memorize the multiplication table to make these problems a whole lot easier. Eric, what would happen if we moved the numbers around? Will 6 times 4 give us the same answer? And let's find out. If we had 4 6 times, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we'll get 24. Nice job, Eric. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Well done, Eric. Look at that, Eric. If we change the order of the numbers that we are multiplying, we will still get the same result. 4 times 6 and 6 times 4 are both equal to 24. Excellent, Eric. Eric, this is called the commutative property. It means that changing the order of the numbers while multiplying will not change the end result. Eric, This symbol here is the multiplication sign. It appears in both equations. When we see a multiplication sign, it means that we are going to multiply at least two things together. Let's say that again. When we see a multiplication sign in an equation, we know that we are going to multiply. Very good, Eric. Eric, this symbol here is the equal sign. It appears in both equations. And when we see an equal sign, it means that whatever is to the left of the equal sign has the same value as whatever is to the right of it. Whatever is to the left of the equal sign has the same value as whatever is to the right of it. Let's say that again. When we see an equal sign, the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation are equal. Very good, Eric. Let's try it again. Eric, 12 times 4 is equal to what? What do we do when one of the numbers we are multiplying has two digits? Let's work it out together. Eric, the first thing that we are going to do is rearrange our numbers. We are going to write the largest number on the top so that the digits are lined up. Since 4 only has one digit, we can imagine a 0 in front of it in order to line it up correctly. But we don't have to write it down. Just make sure that the columns are lined up. Eric, make sure to draw a line under the bottom number. This tells us that the numbers above the line are what we are multiplying together. Also, keep the time sign so that we'll know that we are multiplying. Very good, Eric. Eric, now we multiply. We are going to multiply every digit in 12 by 4, starting with the 2 and working our way left. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Nice job, Eric. Eric, we write our result below the line in the same column as the numbers we just multiplied. Now we multiply 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. Well done, Eric. We write our result below the line in the same column as the 1. Our answer is 48. Excellent, Eric. Let's try it again. Eric, let's find out what 25 times 7 is equal to. Eric, remember the first thing that we do is rearrange the numbers. Since 7 only has one digit, we might need to imagine a 0 in front of it in order to line it up correctly. But we don't need to write down the 0, although we do need to make sure that the columns are lined up. Eric, make sure to draw the line under the bottom number and to keep the time sign. Eric, now we multiply. We are going to multiply every digit in 25 by 7, starting with the 5 and working our way left. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Nice job, Eric. Look, Eric, our result has two digits. When this happens, we write down the 5, but carry the 3 over to the next column. Now we multiply 7 times 2. 14. Well done, Eric. We can't forget the 3. We are going to add the 3 to 14. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Excellent, Eric. Look, Eric, another two-digit result. Since there's nothing else to multiply the 7 by, we write our result below the line, lined up with the 2. Our answer is 175. Well done, Eric. Let's try it again. Eric, let's find out what 123 times 25 is equal to. Eric, let's first rearrange the numbers. We might want to imagine a 0 in front of 25 in order to line it up correctly, but we don't need to write down the 0. Just remember to make sure that the columns are lined up. Eric, now we draw the line under the bottom number, and we keep the time sign. Eric, we're going to multiply every digit in 123 by 5 first, starting with the 3 and working our way left. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Well done, Eric. Our result has 2 digits. Let's write down the 5, but carry the 1 over to the next column. Now let's multiply 5 times 2. 10. Nicely done, Eric. Let's remember the 1. We are going to add it to the 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Very good, Eric. Look, Eric, another two-digit result. Let's write down the 1 and carry the other 1 over to the next column. Now let's multiply 5 times 1. 5. Very good, Eric. Let's remember the 1. We are going to add it to the 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Great job, Eric. Let's write down the 6. Eric, now we're going to multiply every digit in 123 by 2. Again, starting with the 3 and working our way left. Eric, before we multiply, let's write a dash underneath the 5. This dash marks a space that should not be used and helps to keep the numbers in the correct columns. Okay, Eric, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Well done, Eric. We write the 6 in the column right next to the dash. Now let's multiply 2 times 2. 4. Well done, Eric. We write the 4 in the next column to the left of the 6. Now let's multiply 2 times 1. 2. Great job, Eric. We write the result in the next column to the left of the 4. Eric, now we draw a line and add both answers together. Make sure to write the plus sign. Eric, the dash is like a 0. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Nicely done, Eric. We write our result below the line under the numbers we just added. Let's keep going. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Very good, Eric. We write our result below the line, below the numbers we just added. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Nice job, Eric. Look, Eric, a 2-digit result. We write the 0 below the line under the numbers we just added and carry the 1 over to the next column. Eric, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Well done, Eric. We write our result below the line under the numbers we just added. Our answer is 3,075. Excellent, Eric. I think you've got it. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming videos. For more great videos, visit learningtogether2.com. If you already have the exercise book, continue with solving the problems, and thank you so very much for your support. But if you don't have it, get the exercise book that goes along with this video. Find the link below in the description or by visiting learningtogether2.com. You might also like to get Eric or your favorite Mojituti character. To learn more, visit Mojituti.com. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And don't forget to click on the like button. See you soon! Oh, by the way, are you a puzzle person? Find your puzzle at the Vista Puzzles. Scan the QR code or find the link below in the description or by visiting learningtogether2.com.